In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on your Shopify store efficiently and effectively. Navigating through a language you're unfamiliar with can be quite challenging, especially when you're trying to operate a business. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be completely comfortable adjusting your Shopify language settings to fit your needs. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Simply head over to the Shopify website and enter your login credentials, or use the Shopify app if you prefer working on your mobile device. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the admin dashboard if you haven't done so already. This dashboard is your central hub where you can manage everything about your online store. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left-hand corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Click on that to enter a new menu filled with many of the tools you'll need to fully customize your store. This step is crucial as it opens up the areas where you can adjust store details to your liking. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Store Languages or simply Languages tab. This section allows you to manage and change the language settings on your store. Click into this, and you'll be presented with the languages currently enabled for your store's front and back end. Here's where things get a bit more specific. Inside the Languages tab, you'll find a section labeled Default Language. Clicking this option will reveal a drop-down menu listing all the available languages you can select from. This list may vary, but it often encompasses major international languages, providing you with a range of choices. Scroll through the list and choose the language that suits you best. Remember, selecting the appropriate language ensures that your store reaches your desired audience effectively, so consider your customer base when deciding. Once you've made your selection, don't exit just yet. You need to confirm your changes by clicking the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom right of the page, depending on your interface. Saving this change will update your store's language settings both instantly and globally across your site. Finally, it's a good practice to verify the changes you've just made. Navigate back to your store's main page, and take a moment to click around and ensure that the new language settings are active. This slight extra step can help avoid any future confusion and guarantee everything is aligned correctly for your audience. And there you have it. With this simple process, you've successfully changed the language settings on your Shopify store. This setup not only helps you cater to a wider customer base but also enhances the user experience by making your store more accessible and relatable. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!